In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share your Squarespace website with others. Whether you want to share it with friends, family, or potential business partners, I'll guide you through the straightforward steps to ensure your site is ready to be seen. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open Squarespace and log into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you've got your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the homepage of your Squarespace account. This is your central hub for managing all the websites you're working on. In the lower left corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and click that icon. It's your gateway to selecting which of your websites you'd like to focus on today. You might have several projects under your belt, but just pick the one you want to share. After selecting the website, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Preview. This button allows you to take a quick look at your website as others would see it once it's live. Clicking this button is an essential step because it provides you with the current, most up-to-date version of your site. Once your website is in preview mode, shift your focus to the URL bar at the top of your browser. This is where you'll find the web address of your site as it appears to others. Highlight the link by clicking on it. Then, with a simple right-click, select Copy from the context menu that appears. Some browsers also allow you to use the shortcut Ctrl+C or CMD+C on Macs, which can be a faster way to copy the URL. Now that you have the link copied, you're ready to share it. You can paste this URL into an email, a chat message, or any communication platform you prefer. Whether it's Gmail, Outlook, Slack, or even a messaging app, this copied link will guide your contacts directly to your website. They can explore your content, admire your design, and, if all goes well, become new visitors or even collaborators. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps needed to share your Squarespace website. Remember, sharing is powerful. It helps you connect with your audience, expand your reach, and showcase all the hard work you've put into building your online presence. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thank you for joining and happy sharing.